Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 1 of Geography, India Size and Location. Before we start this chapter, we should understand the meaning of two terms, latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines that are marked on the globe. Now let us understand the difference between latitude and longitude. Latitude are the lines that run around the earth from east to west. These are the latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. Latitudes are parallel and they never meet. These are the latitudes. They are parallel. ये सब parallel है और ये कभी meet नहीं. They never meet. That is why they are also known as parallel of latitude. And one thing, if you note, the size of the latitudes keeps on decreasing as we move towards the pole. The diameter of the latitude keeps on decreasing. Equator has the maximum diameter, and as we move towards the north pole or move towards south pole, the diameter of the latitude keeps on decreasing. And now let us talk about longitudes. Longitudes are the lines that circle the earth from north to south. लॉन्जिट्यूड्स मीट एट पोल, नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल को मीट करते हैं. प्राइम मेरिडियन डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. इक्वेटर इज द लैटिट्यूड व्हिच डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. So let us understand the difference between latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes run from west to east, whereas longitudes run from north to south. At 0 degree, equator is located. At 0 degree, prime meridian is located, which passes through Greenwich. Latitudes are the lines parallel to each other. Longitude lines are not parallel to each other and meet at poles. Latitudes are also known as parallels. Longitudes are also known as meridians. Latitudes decrease in length as we move towards the poles. As far as longitudes are concerned, all lines are of equal length. Latitude measures up to 180 degree. Longitude measures up to 360 degree. These are the differences between the latitude and longitude. Now to begin with, let us understand where is India located. India is located entirely in the northern hemisphere in the center. See, this is the earth. Equator divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So India is a country which is located entirely in the northern hemisphere and that also in the center. से नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में पूरी तरह से लोकेटेड है और बिल्कुल सेंटर में लोकेटेड है. यहाँ से भी इक्वल डिस्टेंस है, इस तरफ से भी इक्वल डिस्टेंस है. द लैटिट्यूडनल एंड लॉन्जिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया. Latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. See, 8 degree 4 minute north, this one, and 37 degree 6 minute north, this one. This is the latitudinal extent of India. 8 degree 4 minute north से लेके 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Now longitudinal extent of India, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal extent of India. Latitudinal extent 8.4 degree north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts, almost two equal parts. ये जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है, ये लैटिट्यूड जो है वो इंडिया को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. द अपर पार्ट इज नोन एज सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन विच इज अवे फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर, and the lower part that is known as tropical region. This is located closer to the equator. As it is closer to the equator, this region experiences high temperature throughout the year with small daily and annual range of temperature. And as this portion, subtropical region, is away from the equator, therefore it experiences extreme climate with high daily and annual range of temperature. So what we have studied, that Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal parts, tropical region and subtropical region. The lower part is known as tropical region which is nearer to the equator, and the portion far away from the equator, that is known as subtropical region. Now let us know the name of the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Now we talk about India, but have you ever thought, when we talk about India, what picture of India comes into mind? We think of only this region, this part of the region that we understand as India, but it is not so. There are two terms, Indian mainland and Indian Union. When we say India, we refer to Indian Union. So Indian Union is equal to Indian mainland plus the two island group, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. See, this is the Indian mainland. ये जो पूरा पोर्शन है बड़ा सा, ये इंडियन mainland है सिर्फ, लेकिन यही इंडिया नहीं है, ये तो इंडिया का mainland है. इसके अलावा mainland के अलावा क्या होगा, इंडिया, जब हम इंडिया बोलते हैं तो इंडिया में ये mainland के अलावा हमारा ये बे ऑफ बंगाल में लोकेटेड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स भी होंगे, प्लस ये लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड जो अरेबियन सी में लोकेटेड, ये सब मिला के बनता है इंडिया, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इंडियन यूनियन. सो इंडियन मेनलैंड, दिस बिग पोर्शन इज इंडियन मेनलैंड, but when we call Indian Union or India, it refers to Indian mainland plus Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal plus Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Now, southernmost point of India is Indira Point, located in the Nicobar Island, which got submerged under the sea water in 2004 tsunami. इंडिया का जो सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट है वो इंदिरा पॉइंट है जो निकोबार आइलैंड में लोकेटेड है, वेयर एज द सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द इंडियन मेनलैंड इज कन्याकुमारी. रिमेंबर, सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इंदिरा पॉइंट विच इज लोकेटेड इन द निकोबार आइलैंड, and southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. Now the extent of India. The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. पूरा इंडिया का टोटल एरिया कितना है? 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the geographical area of the world. वर्ल्ड का जो है 2.4% एरिया जो है वो इंडिया का है. लैंड बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया इज 15,200 किलोमीटर. सी लैंड बाउंड्री में दिस इज द coastline. Can you see this in the blue line? This is the coastline. Coastline means that region or that area which touches the sea. Here this is the coastline in the blue shaded part, and here in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island, this is the coastline. So the total landmass is the red line, land boundary, plus the blue line. That together comprises the total land boundary, which is 15,200 kilometer. But The coastline is 7,516.6 kilometer. This blue line, this all they are. It is 7,516.6 kilometer. So total land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer. It includes the coastline also.